Hi everybody, Eric Brandon, IBEX 2024 with BoatTEST.com. Been a great show so far, it just gets better and better. Talking to John O'Keefe with Yachtwave. John, nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
First of all, technology is taking over the planet, right? It's the way of the world, my friend. Tell me about Yachtwave, what it does, what its benefits to boaters really are.
So it changes what's a paper-based world to the electronic. So Yachtwave was released about a year and a half ago. We're coming up on 10,000 active boat owner users worldwide that take their old information from their spreadsheets, their maintenance logs, their inventory, and can now put it into an app where they can share the data with crew members and family and friends.
Did we mention the fact it's free?
Oh yeah, I should mention that. It is free. So
it's free.
It's free for boat owners for personal use. It keeps track of maintenance. You keep track of inventory, tasks in there. So personally, I use it. I have a handyman that helps me with my boat. I assign a task to him. He goes to the boat, does it. I can see that he's completed it. And then when it's completed, it automatically creates a maintenance log of the task. So we keep a record of that. But the other thing we just added recently that I'm really excited about is the AI mechanic. And so we're leveraging AI coupled with some patent pending technology we have about equipment, about the marine industry, and sandwich that together, and we're able to have AI provide support for engines, equipment, on the fly, 24/7, 365. I gotta tell you, I am blown away actually at how well the AI coupled with our data works and responds.
You at Yachtwave have got a connection with the manufacturer that shows the stages of the boat and its process, right?
That's right. Well, so building on the success of Yachtwave, we're here at IBEX announcing the manufacturer's delivery platform. So what this does is it helps the manufacturer to communicate, keep track of tasks that the buyers need to do during the build process, create transparency to the build process so they can see where their boat is at in the status. Because boat builds aren't 2 weeks, they're sometimes a year, 2 years in length, right? So there's a lot of stuff that happens during that time cycle. And then what's most important when the boat is done, the whole entire handover process is handled electronically. We take those videos, the manuals, the maintenance schedules, all the data that they need to have for a boat, serial numbers, and it gets delivered to them in the Yachtwave app. And because the Yachtwave app is free, the boat owner just moves on with life using Yachtwave as their tool for organizing their data.
You've been around about a year and a half, maybe 2 years now?
Yep.
And how's the manufacturing community been receiving this?
I did have the foresight before building this to speak with manufacturers, to understand the pain points, to understand the antiquated process of using Excel spreadsheets to manage customer action points and things like that. So I was confident the pain was there. It's always about the reception. And the reception's been fantastic, so I'm going to leave this show very excited.
Now, as we talk about technology always being updated, your iPhone, your cell phone, whatever else, it's antiquated within 6 months and something's always replacing it. Are you always upgrading your software?
100% of the things we do in the Yachtwave app are based on the community feedback and community asking us to do things. It's how we do it. And we roll out a new feature about once every other week, and usually an update once a week with the app. So it's very active. There's new stuff coming out all the time. We're always trying to communicate to our crew members, we call them, that keep your app up to date so you get the latest access to the latest features.
Is there a training cycle to actually become a member of this whole process?
No, just download the app off the App Store. It has a sample boat in there so you can go through it and see how manuals are stored, maintenance logs are made, and then your next step is just to add your own boat and start tracking your data.
Well, I think you've got a winner, my friend.
I appreciate that.
Thanks so much again.
Thank you.
Have a great day. I'm Eric Brandon. Great day at IBEX 2024. I'm with BoatTEST.com, and don't forget, life is always better on a boat.